Hello my gorgeous plant people, welcome back to Reading Mindfully. My name is Yana and I'm currently sitting out front of Old Country Gardens. I just wanted to go in here and take a look around to see if this nursery has anything good. Not that I'm really looking to buy any plants, because you know how you guys know how I'm feeling right now. I'm not really trying to buy too many plants. I'm still working on the plants that I already have. But I don't know, I'm just in that mood where I just want to walk around a nursery and like clear my head and clear my, my heart, because I do have a lot of thoughts going on right now. And when I walk through a nursery, it just helps me just clear my mind. And so that's what I want to do today, as well as I want to see if this nursery has any plant stakes, because I do want to stake up a couple of my plants, as you guys know, and I went to Lowe's and they didn't have any. So I'm going to see if Old Country Gardens has some, because I did see that they had a couple the last time I was here. And so yeah, that's what we're going to do today. So let's go inside. I'm going to put my face mask on because I still wear my face mask, and there's a couple people here. And so yeah, we're going to do that, but let's go. Oh my god, guys, you guys know I've been looking for these green rubber trees. I just said in my last video that it's hard to find green rubber trees, and they have a bunch, and they are $7.99. That is so cheap. I would get one, but I just ordered one online. But they actually, I took a walk through here, and they actually have a lot of good stuff. Here's some peperonias and some ferns. Here are the Birkins, and Birkins have come down in price so much. Small ZZs. And guys, look at this beautiful Aurelia. I bet that's about $300. And this cute China doll. These are so pretty, but I hear that they are really hard to take care of. Some umbrella trees, variegated and unvariegated. Look at this beautiful ZZ plant. Oh my goodness, that is amazing. And this new ficus that's on the market, the Ficus umbulata, I believe. That Dracaena is so pretty. So I just saw that they have a lot of rubber trees here in a nice size, because rubber trees are quite expensive, especially online. But here they have like the burgundy, which is $19.99. They have some Tanikis. These are $14.99. That's actually really good, because online they're like almost $30 for that size. Here's some more of those Ficus umbulatas that are now on the market. And huge baskets of marble queens and Adansonii, which you guys know how I feel about Adansonii, but when those things get pests, they're such a pain. Some beautiful snake plants, and look at this, the elephant ear. This is so pretty. If I was better at alocasias, I get that. Look at this cutie. I'm so tempted to get this. I was just talking about trying Aurelias again, and here we come across one of the Ming Aurelias, and I'm so tempted. It's $24.99, which is comparable to what I've been seeing online. So I don't know, I might. Here's some more umbrella trees. Here's another kind of Aurelia. Some anthuriums, your classic anthuriums. Some pretty Sansevieria Laurentii. I was thinking about getting one of these because my mom has a nice beautiful one, but those are really pretty. Some more ZZs. I absolutely love ZZs. They're such beautifully structured plants. Look at all these fiddle leaf figs. I've been seeing more of these out lately too. And these little ones are $29.99. Here's some more burgundy and Taniki rubber trees. More Dracaenas. Now we're starting to see some monsteras. I also said I wanted to get another monstera, and this one is $19.99. Some aglaonemas. I believe this is the Maria. Oh no, this is the, yeah, that might be the Maria. Here's some other aglaonemas. They are huge, and the bigger they are, the pricier they are. Those are about $60. Look at these beautiful Birkins. I had a Birkin, but mine did not grow as beautiful as this. And this one is 70 bucks. Look at this little dotty. Calathea dotty. All these Birkins that are mass produced now, so they're so much cheaper. And all these monsteras that are $14.99. I might get one of these as well. We'll see. Look at this cute little marble queen. So pretty. Then you got this nice big peace lily. And I believe this is a silver streaks bathyphyllum. It's very beautiful. Then as we come into here, this is where the magic is. So we have some crotons, some more china dolls, and this nice size monstera. How much is this one? That one's $49.99. That's a nice size monstera. But let's start back here. So here we have bamboos. And then we have a sea of fiddle leaf figs. A monstera here. Some more ZZs. I don't know if this is a Rojo Congo or a Macaulay's Fanal, but it's so pretty. We have a Melanie ficus back here, and you can tell it's a Melanie because it has more narrow pointy leaves, and it's more petite than other rubber trees, but that's the Melanie. I've seen that a lot more than I used to see. Oh, there's a Fabian Aurelia back there. Can't really see it, but here's another one here. I wonder how much this one is. That one is $16.99. We see a smaller one. We might be in luck. Here's some more rubber trees. Burgundy. The Audrey over here. $14.99 for a tiny Audrey. That's a pretty good size though. Some more umbulatas. And here's some Pachira aquaticas with the braided stems. We have some burl marks. I love burl marks. They are such nice filler plants, usually used for landscaping. Here's some cacti if you like those Thanksgiving, Christmas cacti. And here are those Fatsia japonicas. Now we're gonna go on the other side. Again, we have some more of those Ripple peperomias. $9.99. I'm not sure what those usually go for, but it seems like a good price. There's a Ferrierii, $8.99. Then we have the baby rubber trees if you like a smaller version of rubber trees. And those are $7.99. Wait, I used to have one of these, this variety actually, and it got so huge. But I like those as well. Those are probably the only peperomia that I would ever try again, are these baby rubber trees. And you see the variation varies. Some small ZZs. What's that price tag say? $39.99 for a ZZ. ZZ will be one of my favorite common plants for a long time. And now we've reached the section of Aurelias. These are Ming Aurelias. They have that parsley light texture that I love. Gives me total Tarzan vibes. And the older and bigger they are, of course the more expensive they are, but they develop these nice hardy stems and it just looks so beautiful. Oh, look at this here, this caladium. I actually want to try caladium one day. This one's so pretty. This one is a burning heart caladium. Trying to see how much it costs. I don't know what the price is on this caladium, but it's really pretty. Some more tiny monsteras. Oh, and here we have some Ficus altissimas. These are really pretty. Nice size. For $24.99. Some more Aldries. Ooh, look at this fern. Says it's a Nicholas Diamond. I've never heard of that before, but it's really pretty. Then we have some Leuconeras, some green Leuconeras. These are a nice size. $12.99. And we have the rattlesnake calathea. I love these, they're so striking, but these are the slowest growing calatheas of my entire life. Mine has not really done anything since I got its initial first leaves when it came to my home. So slow, but so pretty. We have the lemon lime Leuconeras, $12.99. Some more rubber trees. Rubber trees are really popular right now. These are called like the oyster plant or maybe Tradescantias. Those are really pretty, especially if you like a pop of that purple, that eggplant color. They have Fertonias. I do not like Fertonias. They're so dramatic, but they're so beautiful. And they have polka dot plants. I think these are so cute. $6.99. And we have some tiny variegated umbrella plants. I had an umbrella plant before and it just did not do well in my home. Then we have the bonsai corner. And my friend was telling me how he wants a bonsai and I was like, are you willing to put out the money for a bonsai? Because look. Yeah, and he was like, oh no. But they are so cute and I like the pots they come in. So pretty. And look at this Ficus benjamina. These golden pothos. Brazil. $29.99. And then we have monsteras at the top. Some ferns. These maidenhair ferns are tricky. I bought one here a while ago and it's on the mend. And these are the tiny plants. I often get these if I'm not sure about a plant. I just want to try it. I'll start tiny. Like this is a nice one. This is a fern. Blue star ferns. We have a lot of maidenhair ferns. So if you wanted to try one, you can get a small version. Here's the asparagus fern. Most of these are $4.99. Staghorn ferns. Tiny plants are so cute. Good way to start your collection if you're not sure, like I said. The Pilea peperomoides. I remember when everyone was going crazy about these, and they were even quite expensive at some point. And now look at the little cute ones. These are $7.99. Guys, so I'm back in the car. I had a nice little stroll in Old Country Gardens. I hope you guys liked the footage that I got. I couldn't really go into detail because one of the caretakers at the nursery started watering plants and I didn't know it was watering day, so of course I was not trying to get wet because, you know, we're not about that. But the whole place was getting watered. It was soaked, so I was trying to, you know, get a move on. But they had such nice plants and a lot of more up and coming plants, but also a lot of common plants as well. Some of them are quite pricey, but you know, that's just the market, supply and demand. They also had a lot of plants that I was really into, you know, the rubber trees are one of my favorite plants. And I could have bought, you know, I could have bought rubber trees to fill out my current pots because if you saw my ficus video, I do like to have 2 or 3 stems. And so with all the Tanekis and the burgundies, even with the green ones, which I couldn't believe they have green ones. I never see green ones ever. And so that was definitely an opportunity that I could have taken to buy more rubber plants to fill out those pots. But I had self-restraint, and I'm so glad I had some self-restraint and I didn't go crazy buying plants, because as a plant person, you know, it's so easy just to lose your mind. But I'm in that mood where I'm not really trying to just buy a whole bunch of plants. I'm working with what I got, which is why I went in there to get the stakes. And yes, they had the stakes. They were quite pricey, but I'm glad I found them. So I got about 9 of those. I feel like I should just made it even 10, but I got 9. I did get 2 plants. They were plants that were in that video that I mentioned, the plants that you know, I wanted to try again. So I might do a video where I show you guys what new plants I've added to my collection. It's hot, I'm sweating, got this face mask on, so I will see you guys in the next one. But thanks for hanging out with me. I hope this was as relaxing as I could make it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I thank you for watching my videos, liking and subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.